So today I will show you how to decorate something wooden in a simple way. It can be, for example, a knife handle or something else. For this we will use a simple pattern. The first step is to learn how to draw a pattern. As you can see, it's quite simple. These patterns are often used to decorate guns. The important thing to understand is that one pattern is at the top and the other at the bottom, so they form an intertwined pattern. I use an old piece of cherry wood for that. I recommend to remove the bark, then make it easier to draw. Now that we have done this, we can start sketching. For carving I will use a Dremel sander and 4 cutters. 3 of them are rounded and 1 is tapered. I first cut out the black squares and then work on shaping the strips. The whole process is quite time consuming and difficult, so do it slowly. When carving, it is important to imagine how the pattern will look in 3D, so keep it in mind and often help yourself by looking at pictures of the finished one. If you need, correct your sketch so you can see what elements should be left and what should be cut out. And this is how the almost finished pattern looks like. In order to not make the video too long, I have already prepared a preview of how you can use this pattern for decoration. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks guys. Bye.